If you want to add widgets to the home screen on a Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen for like a second or so in order to go into this editing mode, and then we can go to widgets over here at the bottom of the screen. Now first we will see a bunch of different widgets that are provided by Xiaomi, so you can of course add any of them. So let's say if I want to, I can add this weather widget over here. I can just tap on it. We have different sizes, of course. So let's say I'm gonna add this one, and we can press and hold, for example, in order to drag and drop it pretty much anywhere we wish it to be placed, like this, for example, and we can press done. But if you're looking for widgets from other third-party apps that you have on your phone, then instead you need to find Android widgets, which should be accessible if you scroll a little bit down. And there we go. Now we have pretty much every app widgets that we have on our phone. So let's say I'm gonna add this YouTube music widget. I'm just gonna press and hold it. We should be able to press and hold it in order to add it. You can of course change the position of the widget if you want to, and then we can tap on a done. And in some cases we can also resize. Over here we have adjust size option, so we can use that in order to change the size of the widget if you want to or if you need to, and so on. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.